All right, guys, let's start. Okay. What are the topics we have discussed till now?
Attitude,
Okay. Come from
ethics.
right from the syllabus. Ethics. What is ethics? And we have
Types
understood
of
its essence.
ethics.
Yeah. Types are dimensions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then we discussed determinants of ethics. Yes. Okay. We have discussed attitude and we have discussed aptitude. Okay. Now, there is something called emotional intelligence. If you see through the syllabus paper, you can find it. Okay. Yeah. Let's introduce Kushi. This is your first class, right? Hi, Kushi.
Sir, what about aptitude and foundational values for civil service? What about
Yeah,
that
yeah. We'll
topic?
discuss. We'll discuss. See, while discussing foundational values, no, these all are interlinked. We already discussed values. What are values? Different kind of values, no. And then there is some part of this emotional intelligence will also play a role in foundation values of civil services. Yes or no? Emotional intelligence, some role is there in foundation values of civil servants. See, you see a old woman coming to you asking for help. She doesn't have any legal documents which are necessary to provide her what some kind of pension. Okay, then there is role of something which is expected from the society to gain trust. You know that she is a what she is eligible to get that pension, but she is missing some legal documents. Okay, then the society expects you to be what
Liberal.
yeah, understanding and liberal towards her. Then there is something emotion is related with there, no?
Okay.
Okay, now after discussing emotional intelligence, then we will discuss different kind of thinkers, and then we'll discuss foundation values for civil servants. Okay, because these ideas are there, no, whatever the ideas are there, they're not directly inherited. Okay, they have been traveling from history. Okay, like many thinkers are there. Okay, those thinkers has contributed to the present day society, right?
Yes,
I
sir.
didn't get that. Could you try again?
Okay, now bye Siri. Yeah. And then now we'll see what is emotional intelligence first. Okay, what is intelligence in general? What is intelligence? Any idea? We often use no, he is very intelligent. Intelligence.
So the person means if we are able to solve very complex problem, or if we are able to deal very complex situation in a simple way.
Solving is there, no? Solving comes under
Sir, there are
aptitude.
one thing is one word is missing, that is quickly solve any problem or
Okay.
get some outcome very fast in any problems or anything.
Okay. Okay. Aptitude forms a part of intelligence. Aptitude is a trait which makes a person what intelligent or not. How you will determine a person is intelligent? You will understand his aptitudinal abilities also. That is a part of it. That is a subset of it. Subset of intelligence. Now, what is intelligence again?
The methods we are using.
Okay, I'll just tell you. Okay, intelligence is a capacity to understand the world and the resourcefulness, whatever the resources are there, with which we can what cope the challenges. Minimum resources will be there. Even then, you how you will cope a challenge. You might have discussed this thing. You might have had these problems, no? Like what? There are like one fox will be there, one hen will be there, cabbage and a person will be there. He has to what transfer them towards the other bank, but he'll have only one boat.
Okay.
You have any idea? You have heard about this?
No, sir.
Okay, then he will use some with his resources, no, he will try to use those minimum resources and then solve the problem, like without the hen being eaten by the fox. Okay, something like that. Now Intelligence refers to an individual ability, right? It's not a group ability, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. To understand complex ideas, to adapt effectively to the environment, to learn from experiences, to engage in various forms of reasoning, to overcome obstacle by careful thought. All these are part of intelligence. Can anyone say now? Did you understand anything now about intelligence?
Yes, sir.
So can we say it's about awareness, how aware we are about our surroundings and able to or tackle?
That is one part of it. That is one dimension of it. See, your grasping power is there.
Okay.
Okay, that comes under intelligence. To understand complex idea fastly, that is grasping power, right?
Yeah.
That comes under intelligence. Okay, now using this idea, you understood a concept. Okay, now you are applying it to solve a problem. That is aptitude.
Can you repeat, sir?
See, you already, everyone is see, some exams will be there where they will be testing. Everyone will have minimum knowledge. Okay, even with minimum knowledge, they have to apply in the examination to solve the paper. That is what aptitude. Okay, initially to understand the idea, to grasp the concept, you need intelligence.
Okay.
Okay, any questions? Okay, now what is the role of emotions in understanding people? Okay, what is the tagline of Nokia?
Connecting people.
Emotions will connect people. Okay, you don't need language to understand emotions. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You go to any country in the world, you can understand the emotion of a person, that he is sad, he is happy. Does that require any kind of language?
No.
Or even for animals, for that sake? Okay, but emotions connect people. When dealing with people, there is a statement. Okay, when dealing with people, remember, you are not dealing with creatures of logic, but you are dealing with creatures of emotion. You can use this statement in essays. Okay, do you want me to repeat it? You can write this down.
Yes, sir.
When dealing with people, remember, you are dealing with creatures of logic, but rather than creatures of emotion. Now, there is something called intelligence and there is something called emotion. Now, what is emotional intelligence?
So can you repeat the question?
What is emotional intelligence? You understood what is intelligence, right? Intelligence is to grasp ideas, okay, complex ideas, and to adapt effectively to the environment, to learn from the experiences, to engage in various. Yeah, any question?
So it would be more good if you could present the PDF form, like.
Yeah, 16.
So like presenting the PDF would be good for all of us.
More effective. Yeah. But the problem with presenting the PDF is you tend to read it rather than listening to the class.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. However, you can go through this for a minute then. See, what does the exam expect? The exam expect you to brainstorm. Okay. Not to have mere superficial knowledge. How do you develop brainstorming? By thinking. Got it? Okay, I'll keep on presenting the PDF, but whenever I'm asking, I will stop sharing them.
Sir, emotional intelligence is something that control our emotion at the time of happiness, and at the same time is bitterness when is some dilemma come in our life and we don't know what way we have to choose. Then emotional intelligence must be work as a intelligent person.
Okay.
So
Now
Can
you
we say,
understood
where
this is
brain and mind are both work.
so like it's like where we want to show our emotion, we are showing exactly there only. It's like that.
okay.
Hasna, Rona,
Cool. Now
So
understand.
where our brain and mind both
Okay.
work.
That is
So what is
little different.
difference
Okay.
between brain and mind, sir?
I'll tell you something. Okay. The brain and mind, something you are saying. No, I'll tell you something. There are different layers of what I told you something. There is something called lower self.
Yes, sir.
There is something called higher self.
Higher self, yes, sir.
Okay.
Mm.
In lower self, you think of what?
Low self-esteem kind of thing.
Instinct.
Instinct, yes, sir.
Okay.
Mm.
This is like this in lower self. No, people, human beings are no different from animals.
Okay, sir.
Whenever you want food, you are hungry, you'll do whatever you want in order to what? To fulfill your hunger.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
And emotions is also somewhere just above this, because this is there for everyone. No, what differentiates between human beings and other things is logic, reason, and cognizance. Okay. This cognizance comes out of what? Your thought process, your ability to reason, logic. Okay. This we say as brain. This we say as mind. Mind or heart. Got my point? Any questions?
No, sir.
Understand things. There are three layers in which we perform actions, okay, which come from our human actions. This is instinct. Okay. The position you sat, okay, the position you are present right now, okay, the way you are resting your body, did you think how to what rest your body?
No.
That is out of instinct. Okay.
Sir, it means our brain is superior than mind. Like
See,
that?
no. See, cognizance is above this. There is something called conscious mind, and there is something called subconscious mind. Okay. The activities which are done at subconscious level are generally based on instinct and what? Emotions. Sometimes we train it to be conscious. Like what? Out of reasoning, we will make something subconscious. Got my point? But if you are thinking clearly out of your brain, what are the good can happen, what is the bad can happen, and then you are taking an action, then you are talking, then that comes from this. Okay. That is brain. Got my point?
Okay.
Okay. In mind, you definitely mostly use your instincts or emotions rather than reasoning or logic. Okay. Any questions, Hannah, Mansi? Okay. Now, what you understood what is intelligence, right? Read this again. You use this intelligence to perceive emotions. What is perceiving emotion? You want to understand whether you are happy now, whether you are what sad now. Okay. you will introspect, no?
Mm.
Huh?
Mm.
Then how do you judge whether you are happy or not?
It's natural, right?
By our expression.
By our expression. That expressions, you have some experience, no? Whenever you are happy, you know what your body reacts in some way. You know how the dopamines will make you feel. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You feel light. Okay, you have a smile on your face. From that you'll understand that what you are happy. That is experience, no? You have already experienced it. You are again experiencing it. Then you understand you are at a good position while at introspection. Yes or no? And then you will think different forms of reasoning. Why am I happy? You're trying to understand if something good has happened. Yeah, I'm happy. Because of this thing, I'm very happy. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Sir, but that is because of it's experience only, repetitive experience.
Yeah, repeat it. See, humans are pattern seeking animals.
Okay, sir.
Yes or no? Even like small choti cheese hota hai na, usme bhi will find to see patterns. I already told you, okay, when you are going to an examination hall, seeing at hall ticket number, yeah, this kind of hall ticket number pattern has came to me where I have successfully cleared the exam. So there is a chance that I will do it again. If I write Om, okay, before the exam, if the exam is going good, you'll again try to do it.
So it's kind of our belief also, right?
Yeah.
Belief.
Beliefs are built, no? Beliefs are built. You won't have beliefs. What? How these beliefs are formed? The beliefs are formed from this.
That.
Yeah. Out of your experience, you know which is something is correct. You'll keep doing it again. That will become a belief. You don't know any logic behind it. You only understand that what? Because of this is happening. Okay. Any questions? Guys, any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, I'll tell you something. What is emotional intelligence? I told you. Understanding the emotion of self. You have to understand your own emotion, no? First. Okay, I'll share. Guys, can you see my screen? Internet is little unstable. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Emotional intelligence is the ability to identify and manage your own emotions and the emotions of others. Okay. How do you do this? In order to, okay, identify and manage your emotion and others' emotion, no? What is necessary component? Identify your own emotions. What you have to do? You have to do introspect.
Okay.
And then through introspection, what you will get? Understand emotions of self. Okay. How do you understand the emotions of others?
When we talk to them. Okay.
If someone has met with an accident, you know, without what? You understand something bad has happened. Some death has happened in their family. You'll understand their emotion. whenever you see, okay, in any movies or what, even in what, in real life, if some death has happened, okay, some heinous crime has happened and some people are at what, suffering side, IPS will go and visit that what site, no, what,
Mm.
whatever the place of happening will be there, no, incident site.
Mm.
Okay, you observe, they will take off their cap and keep, hold it with what, with a hand, and then they also show their emotion. Understand? Whenever there is a heinous crime or an accident or something where some crime has happened, while visiting to the what, victim's site, okay, where their family members are present, this is even taught. See, teachers will teach them in training to IPS officers to do this. Why? What happens because of this?
They're connecting with that family.
They are connecting with that family. Emotions will help you to connect to people.
Mm.
When you are connecting with them, what will they will be agitated, no? See, they have, state has some responsibility to protect its people, but what happened, some crime has happened, state wasn't able to do its job. Now the people are agitated, we want justice. Now the officer from here is also expressing with this pupil, I am also very unhappy with this. This is a very sad incident. I express my deep regret and condolences. Whenever something like this happen, all political leaders will say some statement, we express our deep regret and condolences to the family. They emotionally what, be with them. So what will happen, the pupil will trust that what, this person is with us, he might take some strong action in order to solve this. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, now when there is a mob violence in JNU or something, etc., etc., some places there will be violence, no, some protests will be there, farmers protest, student will protest for what, jobs.
Mm.
Sir, we want government jobs are not there, they'll protest against state.
Mm.
Okay, now that is a complex problem that cannot be resolved in a one day, no.
Mm.
Okay, see, farm bills are there, they cannot resolve in one day, no.
Mm.
Then how to solve this issue? You understand the emotions of them, okay, and then you try to connect with them, and you will say, I will take my best care. One will see, there is something called what, mob violence. There is something called mob behavior.
Mm.
What is mob behavior?
A group of people perform some activity.
Mob is very angry, it will not what, tolerate fastly, okay. That is the reason why for negotiation, okay,
Mm.
whenever you see some group of people are negotiating,
Mm.
does everyone will go and talk to the what, leader,
No.
chief minister or someone?
No.
They'll ask, send one of your leader, will take him to the CM and then he will talk with them.
Mm.
Before taking to him, they will collect what are their opinions. You tell what our opinions are there, what you want, we'll find out and then we'll give it to the chief minister from our side too.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
And then emotional intelligence is there. This is also important in managing emotions to lead a happy and successful life. How?
We can understand, means our life, right?
Mm.
We can understand ourselves when we are
And
happy, when we are
see,
introspecting, right?
we are social beings.
Uh,
You alone cannot live in this world.
mm.
Okay, then definitely you have to connect with other people around you.
Mm.
When you are able to understand their emotions, and then you are able to give need, see what, fulfill their emotional needs.
Mm.
What will happen? People will get close to you.
Mm.
Okay, they say something, no, shared joy is double joy. Okay,
Mm.
shared sadness is like what, half sorrow. Shared sorrow is like half sorrow. Heard of this?
Yes, sir.
If you share your joy, the joy will get doubled. If you share your sorrow, it will get by half. You'll be able to connect with more people, and you will be able to what, delivering their emotional needs. People will perceive you as a what, they'll understand that you have very good virtues. Then what will happen? People will accept your actions.
Mm.
You understood, no?
Mm.
Virtue ethics. What is virtue ethics? Hannah, what is virtue ethics?
Sir, honesty, where is the main focus?
No. There is something called virtue ethics. In the dimensions of ethics, we discuss something. Tree is there at your home? Tree.
Idealize like actors,
Yeah.
hero and all, right?
Yeah. Hero and all is there, no? See, if the tree is good, the fruits are good. If a person is having what,
Sir, moral philosophy.
if you believe some person is virtuous, okay, you will accept all his actions to be good. That is what virtue ethics is. I told you example of these heroes, no? Even in movies, you perceive them as what, heroes only. Even independently, you will not support non-violence. Even then, you will accept that hero to do violence, because you understand there is a reason he is doing this, because something bigger reason would be there. Whatever he does, you'll accept it. Okay. Now, I told you, no, using emotions for solving complex problems of life. Is this emotional intelligence there right now after the syllabus in UPSC has came? UPSC syllabus में आने के बाद ही emotional intelligence existing in society or what?
Nice, sir. पहले से ही.
Okay.
No, sir.
Then we'll see
Sir,
how emotional intelligence has been used to solve some problems. Okay, tell Hannah.
Sir, could you please repeat the question?
I asked you for what is virtue ethics.
Sir, it is more like philosophical morality or something like that.
I am telling you that. Okay, if you understand, see, virtue means good things. If some person is
Yes,
a
sir.
good man, if
Sir, virtue in the qualities like honesty or anything, determination.
yeah, virtue ethics says if you believe that a person is of good character, okay,
Yes,
then
sir.
you will judge all his actions to be good. वो
Yes,
कुछ भी
sir.
करे, you will accept that he done a good job only.
Yes, sir.
That is
You
right.
gave the example of hero, like if he
Yeah.
doing a fight any person, then it could not say that he done anything wrong.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this will see how emotional intelligence has been used. I'll just give you an example. Okay.
Sir, it is more it depend on our belief that he might be a good person.
Yeah.
He done everything good.
Yes. This is based on your judgment only. Okay. See,
Yes, sir.
now we'll see how emotional intelligence has been used to solve some complex problems. Okay. One example I'm trying to give. Okay. Now, have you heard of the story where two women will fight for a child?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Those two women will claim that this baby is mine. Then the king has to pass a judgment, and he has to determine who is the right person, who is the right mother. Heard of the story?
Yes, sir.
Then what will he do?
So he will ask like, मतलब जिसका बच्चा है वो छीन लो करके, तो they will start pulling that.
No.
That
Then what happens is he'll ask, okay, let us cut the baby into two halves.
That's right. Okay.
Okay, and then you both can take one half each.
Mm.
Okay, then the original mother is there, no?
Mm.
Out of emotion, she would say that what? Then give the baby to her. Don't do that action of cutting the child.
Mm.
Then the king is there, no? He is able to identify the emotion of the others. Yes or no?
Mm.
The actual mother was the one who told not to cut the baby, instead give it to the other person. Let the baby live. Then he understood that she is the right mother. Read to the, go through the story. Can you able to see this?
Mm.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let me know once you are done with reading. Example of. Okay, done.
Mm.
Now, what are the benefits of emotional intelligence? Think from your perspective, and then let me know. Give some time. What is the advantages of emotional intelligence? I have already told you. It includes 3 skills. No, how does these 3 skills will enhance your life? How does it will help you?
The people won't be able to fool us now.
Okay, and
Like we will be very aware. Will create awareness.
once we'll recall what is this, what emotional intelligence? Ability to identify and manage your own emotions. From this, what benefit you'll have?
We have like control on our emotions.
Yeah, you will have better self perception. You individually know what you are.
Mm.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then, and next point.
Creating, sir, creating something positive in our society.
Yeah, we will develop a positive attitude. And what does emotions do? We discussed Nokia.
Connecting people.
Better social interactions and relationships. Okay, and you told no something. People cannot cheat us or something. Okay,
Mm.
I'll frame it in a better word. Better social relations during work performance and in negotiations.
Okay.
And then,
So this is used by diplomats, right?
yeah, diplomats, not only diplomats, even we use it in day-to-day bargaining also. See, you will go someone in a cheap market, he will say for one what kurta or something, he will say 600 rupees or 1500. Okay,
Mm.
then you understand this is too high, and then what you will say him, what 400. You look at his face, no, you'll try to get a feedback, no, whether he's happy, unhappy, or he might give or not.
Mm.
You're trying to perceive his emotion, no.
Mm.
Okay, you know that he might give, but he's only what holding it back. Then you'll try to walk away.
Mm.
Then again he'll call you back. What are you displaying there? Why are you going away? You are feeding him your emotion. Okay. Beyond this point, I don't want to stretch. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You're communicating. See, this is also an emotional intelligence, no? You're using your emotion to negotiate.
Okay.
And then okay, when a blind person is not able to cross a road, okay, he's waiting for a long time. You saw him. What will you do?
Will help him.
Why? By helping, what you'll get?
Nothing.
Huh?
Like we'll feel happy, right?
What is that?
Satisfaction, internal satisfaction.
Psychological well-being.
अच्छा, हाँ.
खुद अंदर को what psychologically you'll feel good or no? No one is helping. I went and helped him. Better psychological well-being. Okay.
Sir, advantages are like developing our communication skill and helping power to others.
Yeah. That is what better social interactions. No, you are
And
enhancing your
more
communication.
teamwork.
Yeah, that is also what better social interaction and what it is also increasing your work performance. No, better social relations during work performance also. Got my point? Very unstable. Okay. Go through this.
So can you explain this sentence? Better academic achievement. How, sir? Like.
Yeah. Now, what do you have while studying? Like what? What are the important factors which are like what? Which is a what block for you in studying or learning something?
We ourselves. So our thinking is okay. Stress, yeah. That one.
Stress. Exam के पहले I feel very tension आ जाता है. Okay. This is what? Tension. Is emotion, no? घबराहट होता है. Okay. Now you understand this. Okay. Now you tell to something, your brain, what? Because of this, work done by tension. If you know physics, work done by tension. What is it? Okay. टेंशन का वजह से कुछ काम नहीं होता है. ठीक है. मुझे अभी टेंशन को what I want to release this tension. I will meditate for 5 minutes or 10 minutes or I will take break and then I'll read again. You are perceiving your emotion. No, I'm feeling stressed. I'm feeling tension. Without you perceiving it. If you're not perceiving it, no, you'll go and watch, binge watch. मेरा मूड अच्छा नहीं है, मैं अभी पढ़ाई नहीं करूंगा, मैं binge watch करूंगा. You'll keep doing it. Yes or no? If you understand this is what happening to me, okay, I have to de-stress myself. I have to get into some physical activity. I have to work on my mind and then I have to improve myself. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Got my point? Any other questions? For this, I'll say when you are when I ask you to read today, you'll say, sir, mood nahi hai aaj. When you understand this will never be there, first I have to start, then it will automatically get created.
Mm.
You'll start reading. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You'll perform better.
So, but starting is a very बहुत problematic होता है, start ही नहीं होता.
Yeah, if you start, you will understand. You are learning something. You'll feel good. Then you will keep
But sir,
continuing it.
सर
Yeah.
अगर एग्जाम के प्रेशर होगा तो कभी कभी तो हम लोग पढ़ भी लेते हैं, इच्छा नहीं होता है फिर भी.
Yeah, then you understand what pressure is good. For some
हाँ,
people, pressure works
pressure
good.
is good.
Okay. For some people, pressure is good. How? They'll work all night hard. Okay. Some people, this is not for everyone. कुछ लोग प्रेशर में आके सो जाता है.
मतलब सर हैंडलिंग करना इसको.
Yeah. How you will handle it? You know this is pressure. Okay.
Yes sir.
How you will know that is a pressure? By what? Self
Because
perception.
I have some value regarding the subject or the examination in my mindset.
Okay.
The pressure is then is much more valuable than my sleep or some other things, leisure, something
Okay.
else.
Yeah.
So it's depend on the human thought कि उसको क्या चाहिए, मतलब वो सक्सेस चाहिए या वो अपने लाइफ को ऐसे ही सिंपल रखना चाहते हैं जैसे है वो.
Now you are doing it emotional reasoning, no?
Yes sir.
Yeah.
इसमें lots of emotions are connected these things, like अगर उसको वो मतलब एग्जाम में अच्छा मार्क्स आया तो वो उसका प्रमोशन अच्छा होगा या वो उसका अच्छा जॉब मिलेगा या स्कूल में अच्छा उसका मतलब उन सब कुछ इसका मतलब गुड इफेक्ट होगा तो वो इसके लिए हार्ड वर्क करेगा.
See, this pressure is two types. Okay.
Yes sir.
It helps. It also what deteriorates your performance. Two types. Okay. Exam
Yes.
के पहले pressure. Okay. I want to do this. If I don't have this, no. At some extent, it will help you to read harder. Okay. While in exam, you're thinking, if I don't have this job, my life is doomed. Got my point?
Yes sir.
Then it will do negative work, no?
Yes sir.
Pupil in examination, even the toppers will try to negotiate it. Exam का बीच में तू negotiate करेगा. Before the exam, you'll think, you'll keep your mindset. I'll give my best, जो भी होगा. I will not take the results onto my very hardly. So that they will.
ये एग्जाम के जो मतलब अच्छा रिजल्ट आने के बारे में सोचना क्या नेगेटिव होगा क्या, मतलब नेगेटिव थॉट है क्या इसका, मतलब
No.
एथिक्स के
See,
एस्पेक्ट से.
for that you have to do this self perception. You have to have an idea whether how you'll have this out of your experiences. कुछ लोग प्रेजेंट में अच्छा काम करते हैं, कुछ लोग प्रेजेंट में बहुत गंदा काम करते हैं. Okay, if this is working out good for you, you can keep that pressure on while preparing. Okay, exam में जाने के बाद if you are thinking that what this is the only chance I have, this is the last attempt I have, if you keep all in this mind, no, it might give you some bad results also. Got my point? What happens when you are in pressure? Priya, I told you something again. I am coming back to that. Brain. What does the exam
Same
ask
way,
you to
sir,
be?
same way, sir, anxiety is not good for our health, so pressure is not
Everything comes
all
under here.
time is
Anxiety
good.
sub everything will come here, no? Emotion में आता है. Okay. Now, emotion में you will not think about logic. Logic से नहीं सोचेगा. Emotion से सोचेगा.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Exam, what does the exam ask you? To be objective. Objective का मतलब what? Based on logic, give me answers. Not based on your emotions. You will get your inherent biases if you're thinking with this. If you're thinking from here, you'll get to derive logics through which you can give solutions.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So you told about halo and confirmatory something.
Yeah. Halo bias, confirmatory bias, there are what? Cognitive biases. Yeah. Now, I'll tell you emotions which are good or bad, you have to tell. Okay. Love,
Good.
hatred,
Depend. Okay. Bad. No.
trust,
Good. Not always.
fear.
Good. I guess. Hmm.
Fear is good. Huh?
It's a depend on situation, right? Fear
I'll
of
tell you something. Weakness is death. Weakness is death.
sentence again.
Weakness is death. Okay. Who told this? Hannah, you should say. Kushi, you should also say. Kushi saying no. Swami Vivekananda.
Yeah. Okay. चल बट फेयरनेस थोड़ा तो होना चाहिए ना. अब हर वक्त जाके पहले जब तो पहले मारे जाएंगे ना.
Arey, Paju, I'll tell you something. What is bravery in your concept?
Good.
What is bravery in your general sense, understanding?
Journal sense मतलब वो सब any circumstance he is ready मतलब he or she is ready to face.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, fear out of reason, okay, is okay. Cognitively good, out of reason. But without any reason, fear.
वो बेवकूफी.
बस वही है. ठीक है. Now, I'll tell you some models of emotional intelligence. Okay. There are 3 models in emotional intelligence. That is ability model, trait model, and mixed model. Okay, we'll see.
Trait and the third one?
Mixed model. What is ability model?
Our capacity to perform something is the ability, right?
In this ability model, no, first ability to perceive emotion of yours and others. Okay. And then you perceived emotion. Then what you will do it? You understood what is the emotion is there in that room. To ek what one death is there. To that place you have gone. You are also feeling sad and they are also feeling sad. You understood it. Now what you have to do?
Stay silent.
Now you have to integrate. You have to understand how I have to use this emotion. बाकी लोग अगर रो रहे तो जाके बगल में उसका बगल में बैठेगा and you want to what? Console, no? How did you go there, achieve there? Because you integrated this emotion. Okay. Now, why do you console?
I don't know, sir.
उसका emotion जो है वो बहुत sorrow में है. She is very sorrow. Very sad. Shared sorrow is half sorrow. तू जाके मैं भी दुखी हूँ करके उसका you are hearing her whatever she is crying, no, you are hearing it. उसका वजह से you are regulating the emotion.
कंपैशन से भी ये कंसोल आता है.
Yeah. See, integrating and understanding is there, no? Okay. Through that you will only make empathy. After empathy, no, in order to regulate, you'll make some action. Compassion. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Now, types of abilities, no? Perceiving emotion. How do you perceive emotions? You can read and tell me. You can see, no, how do you perceive emotions?
But can we say like by our senses, like we have five senses, right?
See, in perceiving emotion, no, you have to decipher
By our
emotions.
expression, like
Expression
it
कहाँ कहाँ
presents
मिलेगा?
faces in our voice and
Yeah, faces.
pictures.
Okay. कभी भी whenever someone what is talking on call, okay, no, your brother is calling, okay,
And our attitude also, sir. In it is when we feel very much happy, then it's so in our attitude also.
okay, partially, and then whenever you happen this, like what, you are very sad and you call to your mother or father, okay, they will be like, क्या हुआ बेटा, बहुत क्या, सब सही है? This question is there, no? Is everything okay?
Yes, sir.
Why do they ask this question even on your call?
Because they are my parents or my closest person. They can
Our
understand
voice,
better.
because of our voice, sir.
They can decipher emotions through voice too,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
okay, and then using this you can identify what तेरा पुराना pictures देख के भी तुझे you will get to know what you are happy at that time or you are sad at that time. Okay, 2014 December, you find some photos in your Google Photos. You see, you understand at this time, particular time, I was happy, I wasn't happy. Yes or no?
Mm.
You can perceive it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Abhi, how do you use these emotions? This using emotions is almost equivalent to integrating emotions. Again, this again will come. Once you understand your emotion, मैं बहुत दुखी हूं, मुझे अभी खुश होना चाहिए. If I eat ice cream, I might feel better. And then I can think cognitively. क्या करना है तब सोचेंगे. एग्जाम में बहुत प्रेशर हो रहा है. I have to what cope up out of this pressure.
Dark chocolate, sir.
Okay, you want to go to this cognitive level, and then you want to use this emotion to what, to solve a problem. Now, understanding emotions. पापा अगर गुस्से में है, वो sometimes what, मुंह से पता चल जाता है. He doesn't want to communicate it. He's not happy with you. कुछ तो गड़बड़ किया हूं मैं आज करके कैसे लगेगा तुझे? Like what, you will get to know, no? Mother or father is like what, मुंह सड़ा के बैठा है, मतलब they are looking in a different way. Happens, no? Every family.
Yes, sir.
Does they say to you that what, I'm very unhappy with you, मैं खुश नहीं हूँ करके?
Sir, action से पता चल जाता है.
वो complicated अगर होगा तो भी you try to understand.
Mm.
Okay, and you will able to comprehend. Now, how do you manage these emotions? चुपचाप वहां से what, you won't be even make eye contact and फटक से वहां से निकल जाता है. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you know that you have a strong reason, मैं बात करके अभी उसको काम कर लेता हूँ, काम what, I can settle this down, then you will go directly and tell, this only happened, don't be sad, why are you feeling what sad? क्वेश्चन पूछेगा. If you know that he is very unhappy because of you, what you will do? अभी if I take and confront, मुझे अभी गाली सुनने का मिलेगा, like what, डांट पड़ेगा. Then what you will do? You will not give it time. फटक से वहां से निकल जाते हैं. Otherwise, you know that your father or mother will not understand your point. You will just say, "Ha, okay." You will just listen. You will not talk back. What you are doing there? Parents are asking you to get married. You have a different perception about marriage. Not right now. Not absolutely no. Okay, but you know that they won't be getting convinced because they have their own point of view. They are sad because some other external forces has an imprint on them. Now what you will do? You'll just say, you'll just listen. You don't want to talk back. You don't want to discuss. When you are at it, you know that your emotion is there. No, you are in an emotional control. Then you'll do this. तू भी गुस्से में है, then fire will happen at home. Yes or no? Okay. There is one more model is there. This is straight model. Okay, we'll see what is this TEIQE model. Now, what are these models? Ability model, trait model. Riya, are you there?
Yes sir.
क्या रे सोच में पड़ गए क्या?
नहीं सर, मैं वर्ड ढूंढी सर. मॉडल तो वही होते हैं ना जो छोटा, क्या बोलते हैं,
हाँ.
क्या बोलते हैं उसको हिंदी में?
General techniques in which you identify this ray.
सर एथिक्स में कुछ और होता है क्या मॉडल?
नहीं. Model मतलब the types in which generally people perceive.
हाँ सर, लाइक घर का मॉडल दिखाते हैं ना, छोटा छोटा.
Yeah.
ऐसा कुछ.
Yeah. A smaller way in which you what try to understand emotions.
हाँ.
Yeah. What is trait model?
ट्रेट जो इनहेरेंट होता है, राइट, फ्रॉम जनरेशन टू जनरेशन जो आता है.
Okay. Now in this, no, this is, no, I said, emotional intelligence is an important form of what, which will help you to have better self perception. Okay. Traits and abilities are same, no, similar, no, emotional abilities of their emotional abilities. Okay. In some jobs, okay, they want to what, see, the job is very tiring. Okay, agar you are very angry, for example, if you are in army, to गुस्से में है, you lead to conflict very easily. Yes or no? Just like that, you will get into what, confrontation. किसी का in emotion you will not listen to anyone. You will only want action. सबका नुकसान हो सकता है ना. There might be Vienna Convention might be there, where you have to what, you have to deal in some particular diplomatic way even with what, enemies. Okay, but you are very angry. This person is there. How can this person come into our land? I'll kill him. I'll torture him. ये सब भी आ सकता है ना, emotion, if you don't understand it. So some jobs want to what, check your emotional ability, no?
Okay.
Because that is a part of your personality, right? Then they'll go through this. They'll test this. You know the psychometric tests are there, no?
So कौन सा टेस्ट?
Psychometric.
पता नहीं सर.
Okay, some tests will be done in some militaries and all. They'll check this. In this, no, what are the factors are there is adaptability. Okay. Assertiveness. Perception of emotions. How can he perceive emotions? Impulsiveness, emotional regulation. These all are required. These will be tested before you are given a job. Okay, this is TEIQE model. No one will directly ask this, but I just included in order to you to know. Okay.
So how they test all these things? Like they will ask questions or what?
No, they'll give you an image.
Okay.
They'll ask you to write. What do you understand with this? They'll be like, there is a woman carrying a water pot. Then they'll write different stories. Whatever the mind will there, open-ended question.
हाँ सर ये तो SSB में पूछते हैं ना.
हाँ, open-ended question.
Mhm.
Whatever you write, they'll see.
हाँ.
How are this emotional regulation is there? How they are perception of emotion is there? Okay. How they are expressing the emotions. Okay, how they are seeing happiness test trait, empathy trait, stress management. All this will be there. And in interview also they'll try to assess this. Okay. No. Now, there is something called EQ. What is this EQ?
Emotional question.
There is also something called EIQ here. This is emotional questionnaire, intelligence questionnaire. Okay. This is emotional quotient.
Emotional quotient.
What is IQ?
Intelligent quotient.
Intelligence quotient is there. No, in similar way, they will also try to evaluate your emotional quotient. Kitna stable hai you are emotionally. Okay. People with high EQ are adaptable. What is adaptability?
Sir, grasping power.
Yeah, they're willing to adapt to new conditions. मतलब सियाचिन पे भी जाके रख सकता है.
Sir,
What
both
is-
physically and mentally.
Yeah, physically and mentally, both. Now, what is assertiveness?
Positive kind of things, thought, expressions.
No, what is assertiveness again? तेरा साथ कुछ गलती हुआ. Okay. If your friend is getting bullied, you will stand up for them. Why are you bullying him? Okay. Upfront रहना है. For your rights and for others' rights. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll stop sharing for a while. I need my pencil.
Sir, I have a request.
Yeah.
Sir, prelims is near just 5 months left. Could you please in the class at 7:30 or 35? So actually क्या है कि मुझे ना एक आंसर राइटिंग के लिए टाइम निकालना था, तो मैं सोच रही थी कि अभी क्लास हो जाने के बाद मैं वो कर लूंगी, तो अगर आप थोड़ा जल्दी छोड़ देते तो अच्छा होता.
For prelims. Why do you want to practice answer writing for prelims?
No, sir. Actually, ma'am has told me to write this, but there are some problem in our family. So,
Okay. Cool.
so ma'am told me that prelims and mains both are necessity for answer writing. That's क्या है वो history का जो है modern history का वो तो prelims perspective में भी important है, तो वो करना तो होगा ही, तो mains भी हो जाएगा.
Okay.
मतलब इसलिए.
Cool. I'll end at 7:30 or 7:35. Okay. Cool.
Yes, sir. If possible, I'm not forcing anything to do, but
कोई नहीं रे.
it's my request.
चलेगा.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
एक्चुअली क्या है कि बहुत दिनों से कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था, मेरा फैमिली में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, इसलिए मतलब टाइम ही निकाल नहीं पा रही थी। तो आज मतलब ठीक ठाक लग रहा है, तो इसलिए मैं बोला।
Yeah. Now, what is emotional expression?
It's like we are expressing our emotions.
Capable of communicating their feelings to others. When they want to express, they will express clearly. Okay. And then, what is emotional management?
Like managing our emotions, like जहाँ पे like अगर
See,
किसी के फ्यूनरल में गए वहां पे हम हंस नहीं सकते ना।
yeah, managing your emotions and also others. Okay. Capable of influencing others' feelings. Okay. And then,
सर द एग्जाम्पल ये भी तो हो सकता है कि कोई जो मतलब डीएम है, उसका मतलब पेरेंट्स का मतलब देहांत हो गया, बट उसको स्टिल वर्किंग करे रहना पड़ रहा है, तो उसके लिए वो बहुत पेनफुल होगा कि वो अपनी फैमिली के साथ वो खराब टाइम जो गुजर रहा है वो उसके साथ नहीं
see,
चल रहा
that
है।
is not emotional management. That is emotional regulation.
ओके सर।
तेरा emotion को regulate कर रहा है।
मैनेजमेंट एंड रेगुलेशन।
Emotion management is you are capable of influencing other people's feelings.
ओके।
तो
Okay,
कंसोल
sir.
करके उसको क्या, you are making them feel less sad. Okay. And then you are what, I am there for you करके किसी को बोला when they are feeling very sad. Otherwise, if you are feeling depressed, you can talk to me. What is it? You're making them feel less miserable, no? That is what you are influencing the how they are feeling. Like what, मेरे पास कोई है साथ में, someone is there with me. That is what emotional management. However, emotional regulation is different. Emotional regulation is how you are feeling, you are regulating it. There is something bad happened, even then, like Virat Kohli's father has died, still he managed to go and play cricket and made a century, for example. Okay, that is regulating. Whatever Hannah's told, no example, a DM is there, personal family tragedy, but still he's able to do his duty. Emotional regulation. Okay.
Management is not at the personal level, it is at the matlab
Others level, like what, social level.
okay.
Regulation is at individual level, self level.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
लॉजिकल इंटेलिजेंसी और लॉजिकल इमोशनल जो मतलब वो थिंग्स है, ये सेम है क्या? मतलब जो आप समझा रहे थे तो
logical intelligence or logical intelligence is different from emotional intelligence.
यस सर, मतलब जो आप बोल रहे थे कि इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंसी और ये लॉजिकल इंटेलिजेंसी, इसमें मतलब डिफरेंस क्या होगा? मतलब कैसे समझेंगे कि ये लॉजिकल है, ये इमोशनल है? ये क्या जो आपने एग्जांपल दिया कि जो
किसी
मतलब
को
कोई
या किसी का चेहरा देख के, ठीक है, ओके, यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ ही इज फीलिंग. कितना फास्टली तू 5 सेकंड में पकड़ पा रहा है कि क्या ये बंदा अच्छा नहीं फील नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है. यू आर परसीविंग इमोशन वेरी फास्टर. वो क्या इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस है, ठीक है. Whereas तू कुछ नहीं है, तू तुरंत पता चल गया तुझे, वो इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस है, ठीक है. तुझे अभी इंटीग्रेशन का अभी मैं नया कॉन्सेप्ट सीखा, मतलब आई एम टीचिंग यू, एंड देन यू आर एबल टू ग्रास्प इट एंड यू आर एबल टू सॉल्व ए प्रॉब्लम ऑफ इट. वो क्या है? लॉजिकल इंटेलिजेंस है.
लॉजिकल,
गॉट माय पॉइंट?
यस सर।
अभी इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस ज्यादा है नहीं है करके कैसे पता चलेगा? There is something called impulsiveness. What is it? If you are emotionally intelligent, if you have good emotional coefficient, then you have low impulsiveness. तू immediately कोई तेरे पे someone is scolding you, you will not scold them back again. straight away. To hold करेगा, you'll try to understand why they are scolding it. They might be what? They might be expressing their commotion or like they are what? उसका घर पे कुछ अच्छा नहीं हुआ. They are taking that badla or they are carrying it forward. Displacement is there, no? That was displaced onto you. You understand? You tend to forgive them. Okay. Got my point? Yeah. Now, there is something called mixed model. According to this, no, this emotional intelligence will help in what? Leadership. Leadership में emotional intelligence का role है. That will be that will be explained with mixed model. Okay. Individual का जो traits है, that will be analysis by what? Trait model. Individual's ability is analysis is done by trait model. However, how our leadership skills are there and our competency is there, no, for leadership, that will be that analysis can be done by mixed model. For that, what is necessary? This is the point where I want to teach. Okay. बाकी सब तो ऐसा ही है. Just you have to only listen to them because there is a scope of asking a question, but this need to be understood. The mixed model. In leadership, how is emotional intelligence playing a role?
So वो encourage करने के लिए, if we are doing something and our group is feeling very low.
Okay.
For that, where the way communication skill होना चाहिए, presentation.
I'll tell you something. We'll
सर
initially
ब्रॉड माइंडेड होना चाहिए.
broad-minded.
If you play the role of leader, then your thought should be broad minded.
Will come from the definition of ethics. Definition of ethics mein what is the emotional intelligence mein what is there first? Sorry, from the definition of emotional intelligence, what is there first in emotional intelligence? To identify the emotion of
Expression.
to identify the emotion of whom first?
People,
Sir, I can't understood the things you explained.
What is emotional intelligence?
So you told na ki it's express or it carries like our voice or our expression. So
To identify the emotion of self and others. Yes or no? What is the first thing there? To identify the emotion of self.
yes, sir.
That means we have to be self-aware. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because if you are aware of your emotions, no, you can predict behaviors accurately. तेरा खुद का behavior कैसे है करके you know. Okay. And then you will not allow the feelings to dominate your rational mind. What is rational mind? Rational mind is cognizance. तेरा emotions जो है वो cognitive mind होता है ना, वो logic का ऊपर से चले नहीं, मतलब see, whenever you are happy, you might not think out of logic. तो सब लोग को पैसा distribute भी कर सकता है. Okay. Then later you will feel, I don't have any resources now. Because your feelings has dominated what? Your logic. That shouldn't happen for a leader, no? They should be balanced, no? So they should not let the feelings dominate their rational mind. Okay. Now, they should also balance between emotional and rational mind. दोनों का एक balance or equilibrium they have to find out. They should not feel bad because they have taken some decision logically. They have to find out the right balance between what? Emotions and what? Cognizance. Both दिमाग से और दिल से. Got my point? That will be only possible because of self-awareness. Okay. Then I already told you the second step is self-regulation. What is self-regulation?
अपने emotions को regulate करना.
अपने emotion को we have to regulate. Okay. Now, what is the benefit of it? self regulation is a part through which you will not allow the feelings to dominate your rational mind, no? Okay, now there is something called social skill. Third step, what is social skill?
Integrating with society.
Integrating with society means you are able to manage good relationship with your friends, relatives, subordinates, boss, neighbors, etc. Yes, no? Now, if you have good social skills, many people will like you or not.
Yes, sir.
You will be liked by most people. Now, what we can do in a leadership when many people will like you?
Influence them.
You can develop teamwork, no?
Uh,
Okay, rather than individual glory, you can develop a teamwork. Okay, and then you can able to communicate your feelings and understand the behavior of other people accurately. तुझे सबका अंदर से पता है why these people are like this, why they are not happy. Okay, then you can accurately react to them. Then you can give what answer the needs of them. Then you can again develop better team, no? Okay, and these relationships will last longer because you understand them at a deep level. Yes or no?
yes, sir.
Okay, now there is one more thing that is called empathy. Empathy is important for leaders, no?
Yes, sir.
Empathy is what?
Empathy, ये तो इमोशनल लेवल
किसी और के दुख में दुख पाना, ये मतलब किसी और को और की इमोशनल जो मतलब ये फीलिंग्स है उसको समझना, उसको
You are
understand
understanding
करना।
some other person's emotion by looking from his point of view. उसका shoes पहन के you are seeing how comfortable it is or not. Okay,
मतलब उसके पोजीशन में जाके अपने आप को
हाँ,
देखना।
to literally you are transforming into his personality and then you are seeing how what वो कैसा मुश्किलें से वो जा रहे, like what hardships he is facing. Okay, now high emotional intelligence people are good in understanding others people feelings. This is there, no, which will make you to understand your team pupils participants behavior. तेरा टीम का मेंबर्स है, उसका इमोशंस कैसे अंडरस्टैंड करेगा? टू एम्पैथी. उसके साथ when you are understanding exact emotion, you can communicate to them at that level. Then you can make this deep connections, no? Okay, now how do you develop this empathy?
You have to connect with them.
How do you connect then? First, you have to be a better listener. बात सुनो. Okay, whenever if someone is sharing their pain or something, no, if you are listening more, half job is done. Uska, if they are sharing their happiness or sorrow, okay, if you're listening to them, then you will try to understand them better, no? You know what consequences are there. When they are narrating, you will understand more deeper information, no? And then when they will tell you even more,
Yes, sir.
वो कब तुमको और भी एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन कब बताएगा? तेरा कोई भी
When
दोस्त है,
they will feel कि we are interested in their
yeah, interested is there, that is why we are listening. And then और भी एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन कब शेयर करेगा?
trust.
Trust, how they'll get this trust? When they know you are non-judgmental. तो जज नहीं करेगा उसको, तब बताएगा. Yes or no? So in order to be empathy, you have to connect with more people. How will you get connected? Be a better listener. Don't be judgmental and be compassionate. If there is a possibility, extend a hand. Then you'll get this empathy right. Now, this is one of the important factors for a leader, no? To be empathetic so that he can
Sir,
drive a
I
team
have
forward.
one question.
Yeah.
Sir, is all leaders are this empathy, like क्या बोलते हैं, empathy उनके अंदर था क्या?
Give
Like
me some
non-judgmental.
examples of leaders.
नहीं नहीं सर, सारे जो leaders थे क्या non-judgmental थे क्या?
See, there is something called good leaders. Okay, there is difference between leader and a politician.
Huh.
Okay,
That's what, yeah.
leader can be even at your home.
Okay.
Okay, who is leading you from front.
Mm.
Okay, leader could be in your class, not exactly the political leader you are speaking about. Leader could be a district magistrate, or even a what, you know, this what, security guards will be there, no?
Mm.
In that, their superior could be a leader. Now, when he is a better leader, when he has these skills.
Okay.
Got my point?
Mm.
You are confusing between leaders and politicians.
Okay. Yes,
Okay.
sir. No, if we are sharing everything with them, they will play cards against us, right? कि मेरे लिए ये करो, they will start blackmailing and all. कि if you don't do this, I will do this.
Because they are not great leaders, they are just using it.
That's why I asked this question.
Yeah. And then, how does this empathy and what social skills and what self-regulations will be there, no?
Mm.
How does this help to move a team forward? Team को forward करने के लिए, okay? All these cricket matches and all, there will be a dressing room meeting. In the break, what will happen then?
Discussion होता है
Discussion में क्या होता है?
कि तुम पहले strategy form होता है, right?
Motivation.
Motivation. Okay.
Leader, one of the important role of leader is what?
Motivate people.
To motivate people. How you motivate people? पहले खुद motivated होना चाहिए ना? Okay.
So through speech.
Yeah, how they can deliver true speech? They have to understand their own emotion. They have to understand others' emotion. Why we are not able to perform well? How we can cope up? हम अभी very low feel कर रहे हैं because everything is not going in right direction. हिम्मत मत हारो करके किसी को बोलने के लिए पहले वो हिम्मत नहीं हारना चाहिए. They should be self motivated to perform. Okay, वो पहले फील्डिंग में ये सब में अच्छा कर रहे हैं and what, and then he is saying we'll keep even forward, we'll try, we'll give our best effort. Okay, they use the emotion in right time, in the right way, in right quality to achieve best results. Leadership में you have to do right emotion को right time पे right way में exhibit करेगा, then the results will come. This you have to try to develop in order to be a what, good leader. Okay, now why civil servants has to have this what, emotional intelligence?
So because in their daily life
Because they serve the nation.
Yeah, in
Serve the
democracy,
people.
yeah, you work in government of the people, by the people and for the people, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you have to be an administrator as well as a servant.
सर मोदी जी की भाषण में तो with the people, within the people भी अभी ऐड हो गया है.
Okay.
In democracy जो वो एक सेशन हुआ था नवंबर में.
अरे you can give as many definitions as possible for democracy. Democracy is what? Demo is what? People's rule.
Republic. For republic.
Not for the public. Understand the meaning of democracy. What is demo? Demo is people. Cracy is rule. People's rule. People's rule on people's rule is also democracy. ऐसा डेफिनेशन बोलने के लिए हर तरीका से उसके क्या लपेट के बोल सकता है. ठीक है? Got my point. Understand the fundamental of democracy. Demo is people, cracy is rule. People's rule is democracy. They are deciding whatever happening is there, no? They are controlling it. They are ruling themselves is democracy. That's it. उसको कितना भी फॉर्म्स में बदल सकता है. लीडर आने के बाद हर कोर्ट्स में they can give anything. That's fine, which is related to this framework. Okay? Any questions, Hannah? Confused?
No, sir.
Okay.
Clear है.
Now, civil servants emotional intelligence. Now they have to be both administrator and servant, no?
Yes, sir.
Indian Administrative Service, civil servant.
Mm.
Now, for becoming this, what they should have? They should have compassion for people. In order to have compassion, what is necessary? People will be compassionate only when they empathize. Empathy के बाद ही compassion आता है ना?
Yes, sir.
You will only action for them to help them when you understand their emotion. You look what is the problem from their shoes. Okay, how do you get empathy? From emotional intelligence. Yes or no? Got my point?
Yes, sir.
A good civil servant must be a leader and not a mere bureaucrat. Got my point? For leader, we have already discussed.
Sir,
What
can
is-
you explain this word bureaucrat? What does it mean? Like you said, ना कि servant होना चाहिए, bureaucrat नहीं होना चाहिए, right?
Yeah. See, bureaucrat is part of government.
हाँ.
Okay.
Hmm.
Now, government is there. No, government मतलब क्या है? Power. State. He is part of state.
Straight. हाँ.
He should not merely display his power. He should be
Okay.
also a leader. Leader is what? Taking people along with him.
Okay. हाँ. Okay.
सबको उसके साथ लेके जाना is leadership.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Bureaucracy is only simple display of power.
Okay.
That is the meaning here. A good civil servant must be a leader and not mere bureaucrat. मतलब जिम्मेदार भी बनो. Not only hold power, hold responsibility too,
Mm.
and take the country forward.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Good. Okay. We'll end class today for now. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay
Thank
then.
you, sir.
Bye guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye Mansi. Any questions? है ना Mansi?